Guys, welcome to another unboxing. Looks like the package came in a little bit scrunched up. It had a big gash, a big hole in it on the side here. Let's see how it goes. There we go, come on. Looks like the packaging is pretty good. So hopefully it did not get damaged during transport. It is a Proto FPV HD micro quadcopter. And there's an X there. Anyway, the idea is that it's a little drone like some of the other ones that I fly, but it has a screen on the actual remote, and that should make it easier for me to navigate it. And what I'd like to do with this is fly it over the roof and see what's up there, because I've never been up there. And I was going to do that with a different drone, but it was kind of complicated to get it run, and so it never happened. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next bit where I will do a full unboxing of it. Thanks for watching.